Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jenelise. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I really just want to do something quick and easy, you know, no muss, no fuss, just super duper easy. I am going to be doing kind of like, I guess like a brown smoky eye look-ish. I don't know. We're just gonna kind of do it and see what happens. I'm gonna be using the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. A lot of nice browns for this. Any palette with like, I'm gonna do like more matte. So any palettes where you have like a lot of matte brown shades work. Like this is another one of my favorites. This one, it's a hot mess. I'm sorry, I use it a lot. My Morphe 35O palette, you have like a lot of browns to choose from. So just for this video, I'm just gonna be using my cute little palette because it, you know, doesn't take up too much space and it's like right here, you know? And we're just gonna get right to it. So as you know, I always put concealer on my lids. I actually got a new concealer. I got this Colourpop No Filter concealer. I think this is like my new favorite concealer. The shade I wanted was out of stock at the time, so I got a shade lighter, so it's definitely too light to do like my highlighting over my foundation. But you know, I have it, I'm gonna use it. It works great for my eyes, and I really, really like this concealer. Like, as you know, I don't put powder or set like my lids anymore because I just like the way my eyeshadow turns out. But like this, you wouldn't even have to. It's like dry, it doesn't like crease, it's not sticky. Like my NARS one kind of can get like that. So like this is like good to go. So I'm really excited to get like a couple more shades to use that for my face for some like highlighting and contouring. So enough about that. I'm just gonna get right to it. Super, super easy, brown, smoky eye look. First I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. And that is Fancy Face. Fancy Face. All right, tap it off. It would help if I had my mirror ready to go. Okay, so we're just gonna, this will be like our first color that we're gonna lay down. Nice transition, you know, start with the outer V, work that up into the crease. I don't know, I'm taking it up a little bit. I just like, I like eye makeup, so even if I'm doing something quick and easy and neutral, I just take it up higher. That's just me. But just get that nice transition going because we're gonna go in with a darker brown next. And always keep that first brush and like the first shade handy because you can always like go back in. I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. If you put down your next color and it's like a little like too much, or you know, you want to blend it out more, you can always go back in, you know, buff it out with that color, or like a fluffy brush with nothing on it works too. So it's always good to keep on hand. And the brushes I use, I got recently the Morphe Babe Faves set of 15 eyeshadow brushes. And like, it's like a lot of blending brushes, and I don't think you can have too many blending brushes. So that's what I'm using. So just basic, right? Basic, basic, basic. And that's fine. Like sometimes I don't really feel like doing anything like super crazy, you know, like today. So next up, we're gonna use this color right here. Screw it. I'm pointing to the back. Like that's gonna show you guys. Oh my gosh, sorry. There we go, screw it. I've used this color combo before, I think. I use this palette a lot. This is kind of how I start a lot of looks because it's a good, just nice thing to like lay down to then do like, maybe if you wanna do like something on the lid or, you know, whatnot. So I love this combo. And it's perfect for what we're doing. All right, so I'm just putting that on the outer V and I'm bringing it up. I'm bringing it up and all the way in. Just warmthen that crease and outer V. Add some depth. I am liking it. Looks good. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye. Outer V, bringing it up into the crease and bringing it all the way in. I took it a little high, but that's okay. Just add that, you just have that smokiness upwards then. Super duper easy. Blending, blending, blending. Blending is like key for like any shadow, like anything you do, like blending. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Because that's what helps make everything like look nice together, you know? I think I might go in with that brush, maybe a little tiny bit of Fancy Face, and just kind of buff that out. Just a little bit. Okay, so I like that. It's just nice. I'm gonna take a brush, little brush, and we're gonna go underneath. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of dab into Fancy Face and screw it together. And I just kind of wanna smoke that underneath my eye. And connect it to our top shadow. See, it's nice, right? Just put those two colors together again. Same thing on this eye. And if it's a little messy, you can always clean it up, but sometimes with like smoky, like messy looks okay, you know? It's like that not quite done look, just like smoky. And then, you know, I'm actually going to take that Screw It color, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid with a very light hand, just to kind of like add a little bit of just so the lid's like not naked, you know. Definitely not as much pigmentation as we used in that outer V and up into the crease. So you just, you know, it's just nice. It's just pretty. Apologize, I sniffed. My nose is running for some reason. That's really annoying. And you know, I'm not gonna blow because I'm not gonna mess up my makeup. It's like the worst thing ever. I like it. It's really pretty. It's just gonna take a brush with, that one has something on it, this one has nothing on it, and just kind of blend that out. And you can see it's just good. Like you got like your, like the outer V's darker, and you've got your just nice smokiness going on, and then into underneath, you know, like 2 shadows. I know I said like 5 minutes. It probably would be 5 minutes if you did it like start to finish, and I wasn't talking so much. But obviously we're not done. I am going to throw on, I'm not even gonna do liner, I'm just gonna do some lashes, and I will be right back with the finished look, guys. Stay right there. Okay guys, we're back with the finished look. I mean, I literally just threw on lashes and some gloss. That was all, I just did it off camera. Super easy. I love the shadow. It was 1 palette, 2 different shades. It's just all about the blending, kind of like making it, you know, look a little smoky. Sometimes you don't really want to like fuss too much with it. You just want to do some sort of quick shadow thing. So it looks done, but it probably took about like 5 minutes, like start to finish. And that includes putting lashes on. So yeah, I mean, easy peasy, just something different. Again, we use the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. I love this palette. It's one of my go-tos. I just threw on the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Obvi, and the new Attention Haul Ultra Glossy Lip from their Fall Whatever collection, which I love. So, super easy. Done. think that's it. Tried to keep it short and sweet, something a little different. Yeah, all right. That wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, more tutorials or whatever, everyday glam looks, you just want to hang out. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And cheers. I'll see you in my next video.